What's up guys, welcome to ABAUTO on this very windy but sunny day. Today I'm going to be sharing with you a quick tip on how to make your Mercedes more comfortable, handle better and even do better mile per gallon. So this video is going to be all about keeping your tyres at the correct PSI. Now I'm sure guys this is nothing new to you and you all know the benefits of keeping your tyres at the correct PSI, but ask yourself this question: how often do you maintain your tyres? I mean, I know I'm very conscious, I want to keep my tyres always tip-top condition, but with a busy lifestyle, you know, I'm a father. Super Blanky! Super Blanky! Super Blanky! I just don't have the time I used to have to kind of really keep on top of it. So I wanted to find a really quick and easy way to maintain this without having to lug wires around. You know what it's like. So all these issues have now gone, and it's because I came across this really handy, cool little gadget. And I'm so excited about it, I just have to share it with you guys. So here it is. This is the gadget I want to share with you guys. And you're probably asking yourself, what on earth is this? So what this little gadget is it's a handheld, completely wireless tire inflator. The best part about it is you don't have to lug any of those wires around. You don't have to have a cable coming out of one side, then move it around, take it through the car. It just makes the whole system so much easier and streamlined. Now, full disclaimer guys, this isn't a video to advertise or sell this product. The truth is, I don't even know where it came from. It was given to me as a gift. A very cool gift actually. But if you do like this video and you want to pick one of these up, I suggest looking on Amazon. I've had a quick look and there seems to be a lot for sale that are very similar to this. You know, do your homework, check the reviews, and if you do a bit of research, you should be able to find something that's just as capable as this right here. Right, so that's enough chatting about this thing. Let's see it now in action. So the first thing to do is check what PSI your tyres should be. Usually they're in the door well here on cars, but Mercedes, they like to put it in here behind the fuel cap. So if we check the tyre pressures now on my car, we are running the 19-inch wheels. So at the front, we're going to want to do 38 PSI, and at the back, we're going to want to do 35 PSI. So all we do is we switch this unit on, then you've got the number here in the middle, and you just tweak it up to 35 PSI right there. Now we just take this little bit here, which is like a bike one. It's really easy, no screw involved. You just push it on like that, flip this down, make sure we've got our PSI set to 35, then you just hold down the button. It's a bit noisy, but here it is. Now for the fronts, we're going to do the exact same thing, but this time we're going to go up to 38 PSI. Flip it on, press it down, then click and hold. There we go, it was that quick. Now, of course, guys, the time is going to vary based on how much pressure it needs to pump into the tyres. I mean, mine are quite accurate. I think it only needed to add like 1 or 2 PSI, so it was super quick. But just keep that in mind. It will take longer if you have more air to put in. So far, so good, though. The battery seems really good on this. I mean, I've managed to do all 4 tyres, and it's still got loads of juice left. So there we have it, guys. That's just another quick ABAUTO tip for you guys. Now, I know a lot of you are probably really good with your cars and you do keep an eye on your tyre pressure, which is great, but this video was really for those that just want to see that there's a much easier way. So if you enjoyed this video, guys, and found it helpful, I always appreciate that thumbs up. And obviously, yep, if you want to see more great content on this car and other tips and tricks, you can hit that subscribe button. I'll see you guys next time.